Okay, kamu lebih cantik Terjun. In this episode of Learning with the Locals, we come across a sneaky snake who scared everyone out of the waterfalls. We've headed up to the north of Bali, to the BanyuMala twin waterfalls, to see if it really is as beautiful as they say. But firstly, let's get some makan pagi. We stopped at this gorgeous little resto. Desa warung kopi I resto. On the way up to Bergabunglah, we're heading down to some beautiful waterfalls today. We're going to meet up with our friends soon. It's a very busy part of the time this year. The end of Ramadan, so there's a lot of traffic, a lot of holiday makers taking advantage of the public holiday yesterday in Indonesia. So what do you do when you're bored waiting for food? Saya suka makan di rumah makan di sini. Saya mau makan pagi karena saya belum makan makanan pagi ini. I don't want to get a habit of eating this for breakfast. Good piece of chicken, yeah. I'm gonna take the skin off. That's actually delicious. Enak sekali. Untuk makan. The hills of Bali are actually quite cold. Beautiful views though. Menalihat indah di mana-mana. Alright. We have arrived at BanyuMala Twin Waterfall. I think we're the first ones here. All the squad are behind us. But let's go check this place out. The policeman has arrived. Hello. Kamu kerja sini ada masalah apa di?
Tidak ada masalah. Saya sebagai Babin Kamtibmas.
Yeah?
Babin Kamtibmas memantau wilayah desa Wanagiri.
Okay. Bagus. Keep it real, Mr. Orang Police. Kamu sudah lihat bule banyak? Sudah datang? Sudah
hampir, kalau nak pandemi ini.
No, hari ini
Sekitar 5-10 orang.
So my fears of my friends having left already were put to rest, with my squad arriving in good time. So we're about to go down. It's only a 100-meter walk. Listen, is this place good looking? This place good looking?
For sure, you will love it.
It's good looking.
This is one of the best that I haven't seen in Bali. You will love it.
Another day, another air Terjun. Am I saying it correctly? Terjun? Terjun. She's left or right? I can't hear the waterfall. That's always a bad sign. It always says there's no water in the waterfall. Jeez, I can hear some loud bikes up here. You know how much I love loud bikes. No. So apparently, when a sign says 100 meters in Bali, how far is it actually, Wisnu?
It's like 500 in real time. Kind of everywhere in Bali like that. So yeah.
I'm going to be here in 3 minutes means I'm going to be here in 30 minutes.
Exactly.
Gotta get used to that. Bali time, Bali distance. BanyuMala, we've arrived. It wasn't 100 meters, that was about a 500 meter walk. Saya dari Indonesia. Berapa harga? Rp20.000 untuk satu orang. Harga bule sama harga local? It's the same, that's good. It's good to know, we're not getting ripped off. So as we walked down, we had time to ask some of the big questions of Indonesia. How can you be a fake bule?
Yeah, like fake.
Westernized Indonesian.
I would think that.
Is that it?
That's what I would make it.
Bule's on tour.
Or like a really Indonesian bule. How do you say it?
A really Indonesian bule? But you would...
Indonesianized bule.
I want to be one of them.
Yeah.
Nothing like some waterfalls before the waterfalls. Yes, pictures and videos are one thing, but wow, how good is it? This is another heavenly spot. BanyuMala Terjun. It's indah sekali. I can't wait to get in. It's going to be beautiful. I heard there was a place that you can jump off. Let's find out. Alright, we're going right under the waterfall here. We're going to go for a swim. What do you think? I'm not one for just looking at things. Always try and have a go and feel the real experience. Let's go find some locals to have a chat to. See if I can learn some new words. Siapa nama kamu?
Ya.
How beautiful is the waterfall, eh?
Tono.
Tono dari mana?
From Java.
From Java?
Java, Jogja.
Jogja? Oh, saya sudah jalan ke Jogja. Senang bertemu kamu.
Alhamdulillah.
Selamat Idul Fitri.
Amin.
Yeah.
Mohon maaf lahir dan batin.
Yeah. Kamu datang ke sini untuk liburan?
Ya.
Okay. Berapa minggu di Bali? 1 minggu dan kembali ke Utara.
Halo.
Hello. Okay, kamu lebih cantik toujours. Kamu more beautiful than that waterfall. I swear. Look at you. Hello. Siapa nama kamu?
Raya.
Raya. Selamat Idul Fitri, Raya.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Siapa nama kamu?
John.
John. That's not an Indonesian name.
Yes.
John. Dari mana John? It's a name.
Pasar.
Dari Denpasar.
Yeah.
John, are you Catholic? No. Kenapa kamu ada like Catholic name John?
Nama panggilan saja. Just nickname.
Nickname John. Oh, his nickname is John. Panggilan. Kamu dari mana?
Dari Bali, asli Bali.
Asli Bali.
Iya.
Di mana di Bali?
Di Denpasar.
Di Denpasar. Oke. Kamu mau kolam di sana?
Tadi dingin.
Dingin. And this was the moment we got a special visitor. That girl's not scared. She ain't scared of a snake. There's a snake.
Yeah, it's so weird that we're like swimming next to a snake.
So a non-venomous tree snake emptied the whole waterfall. Let's find out why the people got scared anyway. Kamu dari mana?
Saya dari Denpasar.
Denpasar. Kamu lihat snake ya? Bahaya. Snake bahaya atau tidak bahaya?
Bahaya.
Not bahaya. Small snake. Snake kecil tidak bahaya. Sudah kolam di Terjun? Sudah. Oke, bagus. Air terjun ini luar biasa, lingkungan yang indah, mudah diakses dan dipenuhi banyak orang yang bersenang-senang. Jika Anda punya ide kemana saya harus pergi selanjutnya di Indonesia, silakan beri komentar di bawah. Juga suka dan berlangganan saluran saya dan ikuti saya di Instagram. Menantikan untuk tinggal di sini dan menyebarkan getaran baik tentang negara Anda yang indah.